Welcome to another session of Multiplier Success Test Prep Review. In these sessions, we go over past exam questions using simple step-by-step methods. If you're a new viewer or subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome back. Now please go ahead and like this video by giving up a thumbs up, and let's get going. So first example is a multiple choice. Our topic for today is place value. Our first example is multiple choice. What is 680 and 14,000 written in standard form? So we have already underlined the important facts or the important details that we need to solve this problem. Now 680 and 14,000. 14,000 means 14 out of 1,000. Written as a decimal, we move the decimal point from here. Remember, the decimal point in a whole number is always behind the last digit. So divide by 1,000, 1, 2, 3 places. So we're going to have a 0 right here. And the point will come right here. So therefore, 680 and 14 over 1,000 is 680.014. So we look at our choices. We know that A and B are incorrect because both of them have 608. Now C, 680.014. And this is exactly what we have over here. So 680 and 14,000 is written as 680.014. So C is our correct choice. So now let's move on to our short response. And usually in a short response, the value is 2 points unless stated otherwise. In the number 714.438, how does the value of the digit 4 to the left of the decimal point compare to the value of the digit 4 to the right of the decimal point? So let's do a number. $714.438. So we have 100, tens, ones, and we have after the decimal point we have tenth, it is TH, 100, HTH, this is TTH, tenth, and this is TTH. Okay, so let's put them as decimal. So this is 1 over 10, this is 1 over 100, and this is 1 over 1,000. Tenth, hundredth, thousandth. So now that we have identified our place values, our place value names, let's go ahead and look at these two 4s. So the 4 to the left of the decimal point is ones. It means 4 ones. So we're gonna write that down in a minute. And the 4 to the right of the decimal point values 4/10 or 0.4. So let's go over the 4 on the left of the decimal point is 4 ones or 4. This 4 is 4 ones or 4 on the left of the decimal point. Now the 4 on the right of the decimal point, the value of the 4 on the right of the decimal point is 4/10 or 0.4. 4/10 or 0.4. Now let's sum that up to ensure we get our full points. If it's 2 points, if it's 3 points, we want to ensure that we get the full points. So let's sum it up. We're going to say just what we said. 4 is greater than 0.4. So 4 is greater than 0.4 because I'm going to give a full answer. Because 4 is a whole number. 4 is a whole number. And 0.4 is part of a whole number. And if we have all of that, that would give us our full answer. So once again, let's sum it up. Therefore, 4 is greater than 0.4 because 4 is a whole number, 4 ones, and 0.4 is part of a whole number. A decimal is a part of a whole. And there you have it. I hope you find this very helpful in helping you to multiply your success. Stay tuned for more step-by-step problem solving video. Test prep to success. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.